Hey, this is Hamza Patel, and today I'm so excited to you guys having here. I'm going to give you my 150 premium bonuses if you buy my conversion kit with my link. So the link of the bonus page is given in the description box below. So now let's head to the review and demo of my conversion kit.
Hello everyone, this is Saurav. I'm here to give you a quick demo of our new software, My Conversion Kit, which my team has designed with the sole motive of getting maximum conversion and sales out of any of your landing pages or website. Once you sign into the software, you'll see a dashboard where you can track the performance of all your tools, the number of clicks, total views, and number of campaigns which you have created. Let me give you a step-by-step guide to configure the software to run on your landing pages or website. First, you go to the domain profile settings where you enter the domain or URL on which you want to run your campaigns. Here I'm going to run these campaigns on jv.myconversionkit.com/demo. As you can see, it's already added over there. Next, copy this one line code to your web page. It's a pixel code that enables your website to run tools on your pages. This pixel has already been added to our page. Once these settings are done, we can run any campaigns on our website. Now let's move to the create campaign section and create our first campaign. We select the type of campaigns from all these categories. Let's go with tab messaging. First we name it and we have to name it in order to identify it later while tracking the performance. Then add a message. Let's say we can add hey, or you can or add any custom message or generate from this list. We can generate any number of random messages. It's just we don't have to repeat anything. Okay. Now select the favicon you want to display. Here you get two options where you can either upload your own or choose from the list of predefined set. I'll go with this one because as it attracts more customer. Here you can select time interval to determine the duration after which you want your customers to show the messages. You get an option to choose if you want to send them sound notification or not. And the final part, the trigger. So you'll have to add this trigger in order to clarify on which website or domain you want to run, because there might be a lot of domains added in a domain profile. So once you have added this domain over here, click on save. Your camping is live now. Just go to the page and reload it to load the script from the software. Okay, now it's loaded. Let's change the tab. You can see the messages are being displayed over here. Hey, don't forget. So you'll be getting a lot of messages. And now your website, your camping is now ready to bring back 80 to 90% of your customers who have moved away from a website or landing pages. So let's create one more campaign. Hello World Plus timer. First name it. Here we have three different options in the layout section. You can choose whatever you want, and I'll go with this one. So in the text section, we'll add hello bar text. Hey there, that's a hello bar. You can add whatever text you want. Now select a position, top or bottom. You can preview how it is looking right now, top or bottom. Okay, this top and this one is bottom. Perfect. We can design our text over here. So you can the color, you can change size, whatever you want you can do. Now CTA, basically the call to action. So first name your call to action button. Select the option action whatever you want to take. Redirect to a new tab or scroll. Okay, I'll select redirect and I want to redirect my customers over here, jv.myconversionkit.com. In the timer section you can select the timer type, date and time based, cookie based or evergreen. Whatever you want you can add. You can now select the whatever action you want to take whenever the timer expires. You have an option to design the hello bar too. Color, background, arrow background, timer box, timer color. Okay, I think we haven't set the timer. Okay, I'll select for 6/17. Okay, and that same trigger part, I'll add my website URL over here and save. Camping saved successfully. Let's go to the page we have added the camping. Reload. And here's a hello bar. You can see the time, 1 day, 19 hours, 15 minutes. You have that option. So I've clicked over here and it is taking me to another page. Coming back to the software. So we had created hello bar, we have created tab messaging. In the campaign section, you'll see all the campaigns which you have created till now. You can edit, delete, archive, clone, whatever you want you can do. You can mark it active, inactive. You can even track the performance of individual tool from here. You can see total number of views, total number of clicks, whatever you want you can do from here. So it was a demo for just two of our tools, and there are total 13 different conversion boosters available inside this whole package. So see, just with the two of these tools, you can do this much of wonders. What you can do with the complete suite.